What's your first impression with Onana?
Hey, first, you look charming.
Very good.
Thank you.
Shukran.
You look cool, but not that cool. The play you have inside.
Play? Come and play me.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Labda kwa sababu ya nilivyokuwa black.
No, sijui lakini nimesense hivyo.
Obviously nilikuwa kwa siku zingine huwaga napenda nivae light colors, lakini leo just happened. Usiogope, usiyokatishwa na blackness.
Not about color. I just sense it.
Okay, lakini kwa wewe, you look like an innocent girl.
Very innocent.
Lakini still you look like unaweza ukatafuta troubles.
No, why?
See, just how you look. Maybe because you're upo pretty, alafu umekubali kwamba upo innocent, like, kwa haraka sana. Kitu ambacho sijakitegemea.
Oh. I'm speechless.
You're speechless. Oh my God.